Welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you how to use keyframes to add transition professionally. It's better to me. And if you just want to scroll from different angles, for instance, you want your transitions to come from here, okay, you can actually do that. So I don't want to waste your time. I just want to go straight right to it. Yeah, you people want just to learn to do these things first. At the same time, I want to ensure I cover every bit of it, not making it a rush course, but a crash course that way you can go over and watch over and over again. And that's why I made a timestamp in this full course. So let's bring in the first footage. This is the first footage we have here. And this is the first one we are going to work with. All right. So now that we have that in it, this is how it looks. Basic, not complicated. We're going to bring in the second one, which is this, and I'm going to take that up and move it a bit like so. Okay, and I'm going to show you what is going to happen soon, the magic of all this put together. Okay, so this will be the third one. Okay, I'm going to take that up. All right, so we have it like that. Once again, I'll move it to this end. And now this is what we're going to do. We started with this first video, but they want to bring this in to the frame. All right, what are we going to do? We're just going to move to this end, and then we want to have a what we'll call a position keyframe. As you can see, position keyframe. But before then, we want to take this video completely out of the scene. Okay, let's just put it back there and see. So it says 0, right? So we want to take it completely out of the scene like that. Okay, completely out, and that's where we'll put our first keyframe. Good. And then we are going to reduce this to about the position keyframe. Now we're just going to reduce it to about 2000 by 2000. Okay, so now let's have it like that. So we are just going to move, and now just watch what's going to happen. We have the first keyframe here. Now watch what is going to happen as I scroll this to somewhere here. All right, and move this in. It's going to create another keyframe. As you can see, it has created one here, and then I'll move it again to the end, and it's going to create another keyframe here, right? It's going to create another keyframe for us to totally, let me get this image. This one does not need to start until it is fully in the frame, right? So we are working with this, and we are just going to move it completely into the frame like that. So now we have those three, and then for this particular one, you start creating the keyframe also for it. This is the starting point, right? So we are going to move it. We're going to make it come from down. Sorry, not this again, but this now. We're going to make it come from the down lowest part of it, like so. So create the first keyframe there. It's not in the frame. And now we put this at, let's say, 2000. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. So we have that first keyframe. Then we'll try and bring it in like that. I want the first keyframe to be there. So now if I move this a bit like so, and then move this keyframe up, okay, it creates the second keyframe as you can see it. Then I move it a bit again, and then I move it completely up. It creates the third keyframe. So it's not like I want this one totally out of it. I'm just showing you so that you see how it works. Okay, so we have that. We have the first one, we have the second one, and then if we go back and play all together, this is what we're going to get. You can also add a keyframe to give this a vibration. I'm going to show you how to do that in a later video. I'm going to show you how to add animations to pictures to make them move, to give them life. I'm going to be showing you how to do that, but this one is just keyframing transition. So let's play it and see how it looks. You're going to be surprised how easy it falls in, as you can see. So you can see it's quite easy, it's smooth, not complicated at all. It's not complicated, it's super smooth. If you want it faster, you can just go over, just drag. You can drag keyframes a bit. You can drag it out or make it closer. The closer you make it, the faster it will be. So you can just left click and drag your mouse, make it closer like that. You can do same thing with this instead of making it far. But if you make it far apart, it becomes smoother, but you can make it closer. I'm just saying, if you want to make it smoother. CapCut is such a professional tool that gives you the edge, trust me, once you understand how to use it. So I will ask that you save this video for later to your watch list and just follow the chapters to every video you want to learn and just come back to it and keep watching. I'm sure by the time you are done watching this whole video, you'll be a pro in Canva PC. So let's play it again. Sorry, did I say Canva? In CapCut PC, sorry. So let's play it again and you see how it works. You see it? Here you go. So it's super easy, not complicated. Just watch this video over and over again and you're going to understand how to use keyframes to do your transition. I'm going to be showing you almost 4 lectures just showing you how to use different kind of keyframing for positioning, for rotation, for animation. It's going to be interesting. Yes, it's going to be in this course, so ensure you are watching to the very end. Thanks for watching this particular one. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to add filters to videos, and I hope you're going to be excited about that. Thanks for watching this particular one. Let's go on to the next video. Stay blessed.